ऊपर से क्या दीपाली मैडम.
Sir, should we start?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Somaya Management, our principal ma'am, Dr. Veena Sanekar, Vice Principal Sir, Dr. Satyavan Hanegave Sir, teaching and non-teaching staff, myself, Dipali Toraskar, teacher in charge, along with my fellow colleague, Sir, Mr. Sandeep Yadav, Sir. We welcome you for the last day of the orientation program. Now, as a tradition of Somaya, we start any program with our campus prayer. So I request everyone to rise for it. So may I request Sandeep sir to play the prayer?
पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वं यत्किञ्चित् जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीता मा गृधस्य स्विद्धनम्। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। ॐ प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती वीणामविद्यवतु। ॐ चोदयित्री सूनृतानां चेतन्ती सुमतीनां यज्ञं दधे सरस्वती। ॐ असतो मा सत्समय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनस्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। सर्वेऽत्र सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति
Students, today's session is a technical session on MS Team. So I invite our today's speaker, Mr. Ameer Rane, sir. Sir is BE Electronics and Telecom, working as a network engineer for Somaya Vidya Vihar IT team. I welcome you, sir, on behalf of our college. Over to you, Ameer, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Ameer Rane. I am from Somaya Vidya Vihar IT team, as said by ma'am, which is headed by Mr. Mahavir, sir. I am here to give you a short introduction about Microsoft Teams platform. As you all know, in this pandemic, we have been adapted to learn remotely using many platforms available on web or on internet. Microsoft Team is one of the platform where we can learn and collaborate remotely. Our institute has got licenses from Microsoft for all the faculties and students, which we can use for remote learning and teaching purpose. We have created Microsoft accounts and send it to the students. So my email account. Some of you might have already received it, and some of the accounts are already in the process and being created. Once created, we will share it with you very shortly. I will show you how the email with the Microsoft Team credentials will look like when, so that you can identify that email and grab your credentials, and then you can log into the Microsoft Teams dashboard. So I'll be sharing my screen now to show you the email, how it can look like. So this is my email inbox. This is the email, this kind of email you will receive for your Microsoft credential with your username. The username will be your SVV ID followed by somaya.edu or whatever is your email address with the password. So once you receive the password, you can directly go to login.microsoftonline.com and you can change the password immediately, because the password which is sent in this mail is only valid for 15 days. After that, this password will get expired. So you won't be able to reset your password and you will need to contact your IT coordinator for that. So it's better if once you get the mail, you can just log into this website, login.microsoftonline.com, and then you can reset or change your password, and you can note it down somewhere so that in future you can you make use of it. Okay. And you can download the Microsoft Teams application from the link which is available in the email itself. I'll be sharing that link on your emails. This is the link, and from here you can download it for desktop as well as mobile phone. But so the Microsoft Teams license which we have received, you can use Microsoft Teams from the desktop application as well as from mobile application, as well as you can use the Microsoft application like Word, PowerPoint, Excel. But these applications are only accessible via web app, which you can access from office.com, not from the applications. From office.com, if you log in over here, you can directly go to office.com and use those applications such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Now I'll show you the MS Teams dashboard, how it looks like. I have already logged in with my test account in this Microsoft Teams dashboard. So these are the basic options which will be available in your dashboard. So this is a Teams option where your faculty or the staff will be adding you to the teams, their class team or their subject team, whatever the team they'll be creating, they'll be adding you in these teams. And within that team, you will get the lecture or class practical links and whatever the data which they will be sharing it with you. And here is the calendar option. In this calendar option, you will find all the schedule of the lecture in which you have been added. Suppose if you are a part of 2 or 3 class, all the schedule for the lecture will be displayed over there, and you will be able to join the lectures from the calendar itself. So this is a short description which I can give you for MS Teams. Later on, as you go on using the MS Team, you will be familiar with it and you will be able to explore more options in it. I guess Mamta ma'am can take it over from here.
Yes, sir. Yes, Amir, sir.
Yeah.
So students, for further technical session would be conducted by Mamta Tendulkar ma'am. She is a faculty assistant professor in our college itself. She belongs to EVS department, and she is going to cover up the further explanation. So over to you, Mamta ma'am.
Thank you, Dipali ma'am. I will just, sir has already shown you that you will receive an email. I will share my screen. If you have Somaya email ID, you must be having this type of, I hope my screen is visible to all of you. So this type of, you will have the section, primary section. If you will not receive mail in the primary section, then please check out the other section. You will receive the mail, and from there you can log in into your MS Team. Now, when we are talking about MS Team, and sir has already told you that we have taken the license for MS Team, there are other options also available. The teacher may use Google Meet and also can use Zoom, but that is comparatively, you know, you will get the link, you will logging into it, and immediately you will get into the meeting. Now MS Team, you will have the classroom teams as well. And Mansi, I have stopped sharing the screen. Please listen to it first. Okay, I have just shared share it only for the email ID. Okay. So once you are logging into it, then you will understand that how the team look like and how you will able to be the part of MS Team. Now, is it visible, MS Team, Deepali madam?
Yes, madam. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, if you can see, this is my team. Now, if you know, I have so many classes, so there are so many teams will be there. But as soon as you are logging into a team, this part will be blank for you because you are a new student and you are new to the MS team. Okay. Now, once you are logging into team, you will be having here right hand side top, you will find join or create team. Now, being a student, you will not allowed to have the create team, but you can join the team. Now, if you want to join the team, you will get your teacher, concerned subject teacher will give you either a link or a code. And if you get the code, you will put the code over here. Immediately you are get into your concerned team. For example, you are not got any code, but you got a link of the team. Not an issue. You click on that link and you will be immediately in that particular link. Okay. Now I will show you one of my team. So how it look? Now here will be the owners. That is the owned by which two people. For example, me and Sandeep Kulkarni sir are teaching the EVS. So we are using this particular team. We both are the owner, and the members will be the student. You will understand who are the teacher and who are the student. Now, once you are joined the team, you will have this type of, we will get this type of list in our team. If you see in this left hand side, there are class notes, assignments, grade, and insight. Now, grade and insight is for us, not for you, but assignment is for you. Whatever assignment teacher will be uploaded in the assignment section, you will get to know in your channel. Okay. Once you click on your channel, you will get all the information over here. Attendance, see if you can see here the attendance report. So everything, whatever we take it, everything, whatever we share with you will be, you will see into the post. Even your, if you'll upload the notes, everything you will get into it. Even you can chat with us in this particular post. Here you can see the new conversation. If you open here, you can type some message and you can chat with us. We can answer to your queries in this particular forum. Now, in this file section, when you'll go, you will find the class material is or the notes will be uploaded in this particular section. So when you are in a general channel, you can find the post, that is the updates and files from where you will get your material. For example, class material, the various PPT and various documents we have uploaded over here, and you can either download it or you can just watch it from here. For example, if you want to download this, you will click it and from here download, you can download your material. So this is what is actually your team. It's like a small virtual classroom, and with the classroom, every teacher may have their own different classroom. For example, you have 7 subjects, so there might be 7 teams for 7 different teachers, and that all teacher will give you their own class material in this particular team, and you will get all the updates over there. Once your lecture timing has been set, for example, you are a part of my team and the lecture timing is set, for example, a scheduled meeting, you can get this pop-up. If you are in a part of the team, you will get this pop-up that foundation course lecture maybe 8:30 a.m. in the morning, So you can just click over here and join the meeting. You need not get any kind of any other kind of a link if you are the part of a team. And if you're not a part of a team, that is for next a week till you get received your emails. Till that time, what will happen? A lecturer will share a link to join the lecture. Okay, and you will directly join into the lecture with your normal ID as well. I hope it is clear till now. This program is for BA only, but I teach for BCom, so I am showing you the my teams are for the BCom. Even I have BA teams downstairs. Is it okay? Okay. Now, did you get how you have to join your team? See, guys, see, students, you have to, be very particular when you are joining the team. You have to take at least once, check your teams if there is any update. Okay, because many teachers will give you the message on the teams. Similarly, you have to every day check 3 things without fail. One is our college website, if any notice is there extra. Second is your Telegram group where you get all the updates. And third is your concerned teachers teams. Okay, so that teams page, that concerned teacher will put on the updates for that particular subject. Or even you can ask, you can chat with the teachers and on this particular team forum, and you can ask your queries over there. Teacher will answer the queries. Now there is one important thing when you are doing the assignments, because assignment, you see left hand side, if you can see after class notebook, assignment is there. If assignment is posted, what majority students do, they assign whatever the assignment is given, they upload the assignment but forget to put the submit the button. Okay, you upload the assignment, that is from your side, but if you will not submit it, then the assignment won't reach to your concerned teacher. If you're not submitted the assignment, you're just uploaded, you will think I have already submitted my assignment, and teacher will not receive it and you will not get the marks for the same. Okay, so you have to be very careful when you are completing your assignment, submitting your assignment. You have to upload it and then without fail put the button submit. Now I cannot show you over here because it is, I am a teacher and this is what is a teacher platform. For student, different platform can be shown because your marks will be there shown, everything. But if you can see here, you can see 121 students have joined the teams. Right hand side corner, if you can see 121 student has joined the team, only not one has appeared for the test or the mock test. Okay, so that means other students may have just seen the test but have not appeared or not submitted the test. So without submit button, if you're not clicking the submit button, not necessary it's a test, any assignment, you have to upload the some PDF files or some your work, it will not be get submitted. So you have to be very, very careful when you are using the Teams application. Now there are 2 more things, that your Somaya email ID is important. You have to use your Somaya email ID whenever you are joining or attending any lecture. Please do not go with your other email ID or personal email IDs. Your attendance will not, we will not able to mark your attendance because we will be having your Somaya email ID. You have been registered with your Somaya email ID. So kindly use your Somaya email ID whenever you are joining any lecture, whether it's a MS Team, whether it's a Zoom, whether it's a Google Meet. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, now I will just show you one calendar. Sir was talking about calendar. Now it will appear only when you will be added into the concerned teams. I think many of you have not at all received any mail related to MS Team. Is it? Am I right? Have you received any mail related to MS Team password and login ID? Okay. Okay, I got it. you haven't received any mail. So maybe this week you will receive it, as sir has said. As soon as you will receive the mail, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you will receive the mail. And if you will receive the mail, first what you have to do, you have to go to your email, click on the Microsoft site and register yourself with the login ID and password. Okay. I'm repeating it better. Please rename yourself. Your name is reflecting as Sandeep Kulkarni itself. As Amir said, has rightly said, you will receive an email on your Somaya email ID. Dear student, please do not forget your Somaya email ID password and SVV net password. Do you know SVV account, your my account password? That is very, very important for you to even pay your remaining fees, or for getting result, or for getting division, for getting roll number. Everything, your SVV ID is very, very important. And your email ID is also very, very important. Somaya.edu wala. Okay. So please remember the password. To recover the password, it is really very hectic job. If you change your phone numbers, I know many students keeps on changing their phone number, devices, mobile phone, and then it becomes very difficult to access your passwords. So please do not do all this thing. If you are writing some easy password or difficult password, please make a note of it, not in a mobile, somewhere where you will not lose it because you have lost mobile or something like that. Okay, so please make a note, maybe email it to your other email ID and put it into the, where secure, where you will recollect your email IDs. Then it happens that we will not able to log in into the Somaya edu ID or the SVV ID. Now SVV ID is for your my account. If you go to the my account, you will get your roll number and division. If you are not got yet any roll number or division, you will get it soon, because first phase student must have got it. Second phase student will require time to get the roll number and division. Sorry. Now, once you log in into your Somaya email ID, you will receive the mail maybe in the 2 days. So as soon as you receive the mail, click on that ID website and go and register yourself and immediately change the password, because whatever the password is provided to you on the email will only last for the 15 days. So as soon as you will log in into the MS Team, you have to change your password, and that password will remain forever. You need not change that password again and again. Is that clear? Did you get till now? Okay. Now, once you will log in into the MS Team, it may happen that some of you cannot log in from your mobile. It happens that sometime you will not able to register yourself from the mobile. So kindly do one thing. If you're not able to do it from your mobile, go to the desktop or the laptop. At least once you have to log in from the laptop or desktop and then register yourself. Once you are registered, you can access your all the login ID and password from your mobile phone itself. Any mobile phone, any Android mobile phone or even iPhone, you can access that. Okay. So that is not an issue, but at least once, if you're not able to do it from your phone, please use the desktop or the laptop to log in, register yourself and immediately change your password. You know that certain apps don't have all the features on the mobile, but other features you get it on from the laptop or desktop. Okay, the mobile apps has very less features and the laptop or desktop version has the more features. So first, at least you try to do it from your desktop or the laptop, or maybe if you don't have desktop or laptop, borrow it from your friend for 10 minutes and logging into it, and then you can shift to your mobile phone app. I hope it is clear to all of you. Logging into the MS Team. Okay. Now, once you are logging into the MS Team, your teachers will provide you the class link. Okay, there are two different links. One is to join the class link and another is join the lecture link. Now, when you will be given to the join the class link, I have shown you, there will be either a code will be provided to you all, or there will be the link will be provided to all of you. So suppose there is a code is provided to all of you. Fine. A code is provided. then that code you can put it in the, I have shown you the join button. Join button pe use code, and after using code you can enter in the team. Okay, or with the link also you will able to enter in the team. Okay, this is one thing. Second thing, once you are in a team, whatever the lectures are scheduled in your calendar, you can see it. Once you will into a MS Team platform, left hand side there are the, this is I'm talking about the desktop version. Mobile version, the things are little different. Okay, now once you will logging into the team, these are the left hand side. If you can see activity, chat, teams, assignments, calendar, etc. You can see chat. You can chat with the any person you can, who is on the team, of course. So you can put write the name over there and chat. Then teams, all the teams will be visible over here. Assignments, whatever the updates of the assignment, you can see all the recent assignments updated on your teams or maybe by your teacher in which you have added. Then the calendar. If you go and see your calendar, you will find all your lecture data over here. Okay, because it is allotted to your class on the MS Team. Okay, and then you can find here, you can click and directly join. You need not have the link if you have once joined the classroom. But if you have not joined the classroom, you will getting link to join the lecture. Am I clear? Now, I think till all of you are on the platform of MS Team or you will join the MS Team, we have to provide the link. If you can see this link, the link will be provided to all of you. And from the link, you can join the lecture. Okay. Now, once you are on the MS Team, you will be added into the team. And from the team, you can access your lecture, because on the once you are in the team, you will on the calendar, you will get all the schedule. And from directly here, you need not have your team link. You can from here on that particular timing. For example, it is 8:30 lecture. So 8:30 to 9:30 lecture will be reflected on your calendar. You can directly join it from here. Okay. I hope it is clear till now. The things to remember, all of you, you have to every day check college website for the updated notice, Telegram group, and your concerned MS Team teachers, like teams, where you will get the updates. Okay. The things to remember: MS Team password, Somaya ID password, and SVB password. Is it clear to all of you? Dear, there are almost all students have not received the email. Tomorrow onwards, the teachers are sending you the link into your Telegram group. Each lecture link will be provided. Now, there are many teachers, I am again repeating it, not necessarily all teachers are joining MS Team and taking lecture on MS Team. Some of you may provide the Google Meet link. Some of you may, some of them may provide Zoom link. You can click on the link and join the link as well. Sakshi, the feedback form will be also posted in the Telegram group, so you can fill over there. I request Sandeep Yadav sir or Deepali ma'am to post the feedback form even on the Telegram group so that they can fill over there as well. Okay, so Prerna, all the textbooks and PDF etc. your teacher will tell you, concerned subject teacher will tell you about your notes. This is the general information about the online platform to be used while attending the lecture. Okay, so don't ask the subject related question, because concerned subject teacher will tell you which book to be follow, which PDF, which notes, etc. So even you will ask foundation course teacher or Marathi or an English problem, he will not able to tell you. Yeah, there is only one Telegram group here. Only one Telegram group. You will get all lecture link in it. There is only one Telegram group, one for BA and one for BCom. and you all are in the BA where you have got the link for today's lecture. I mean today's induction program. Your all lecturer will put the link in that particular Telegram link group. You have already received your timetable. Am I right? As per the timetable, you will, yeah, yes, on college website also is there, and you can download it. And as per the timetable, as per your subject combination, you will be attending your lectures. Yes, any other questions? Absolutely right, Aditi. Once the teams have been formed, the concerned lecture link will be, put over there, and then you can directly from the calendar, you can join your concerned lecture. You need not have the, please don't ask me about subject change. If you have taken admission little late, beta, it will be available. And if till next week it doesn't appear, then please go to college and once inquire about it. Even about subject change is not possible, but if you want, you can go to the college and inquire about it. I think everyone is through with the MS team. Microsoft Team ID is not different from Somaya ID, but password is different from Somaya ID. You will be logging into the Microsoft, username will be the Somaya ID itself, but you will be having the password. You will get the password from the Somaya IT department and for the MS team particularly, and you have to change that password within 15 days. Please remember, after 15 days, your password will get expired. Dear student, all the induction program recording will be uploaded on YouTube channel, college official YouTube channel, and you can watch it from there. Please give us some time. That recording, whatever the recording we have right now, we will convert it into that videos will be uploaded into the YouTube link, and that link can be provided in your Telegram group, or you can go to the official Somaya College channel, YouTube channel, and from there you can watch it. But not immediately. You have to give us time to convert everything into the YouTube links, and you will be able to watch all the program, all the 5-day program if you have missed anything out of it. I cannot tell you which division lecture you should join. I think there is, as per your subject combination, the division has been formed. See in which division your subjects are there, and accordingly you attend your lectures. Because the 2 divisions are depend upon the subject combination. So what combination you have got, depending upon that, you will attend that particular division lectures. Sakshi, I cannot help you out in any subject combination. You have to talk to the concerned authority. This is not a platform where subject and issues can be discussed. I'm not the authorized person to talk about it. I hope your all doubts has been clear about MS Team and Google Meet and the online platform to join the class. Any other question specifically related to MS Team or class link or the lecture, online lecture platform? Again, I'm highlighting, please remember your Somaya email ID password, SVV password, and MS Team password. These are important thing to remember and note it down somewhere, because if you forget it, then your internal examination assignment might be on the MS Team. You will not able to access it. And please do not go to your teacher when the assignment has been announced. Maybe tomorrow is assignment and evening you will message teacher that we are not getting, we cannot log in. Please don't do it. As soon as you log in into the MS Team, change your passwords provided by the Somaya IT department. Unnati, I have repeatedly told about the MS group. You will receive the email ID from the Somaya IT department. You will get the mail. From that mail, you will get receive the password and the login ID. And as soon as you will log in and the link where you have to click and register, go there, register and change your password immediately, because whatever the Somaya email ID and login ID and password is provided by Somaya for MS Team will last only for 15 days. So within that, you have to change your password immediately. Manasi, since first minute of the meeting, we are talking about Somaya email ID. Why anyone will send you on your personal email? If you're a Somaya student, why not? I am just repeatedly telling you that please remember your Somaya email ID. Please remember your Somaya email ID password. Please remember SVV password. Then why you will get anything, any updates on your personal email? I hope all the doubts are clear. I am handing over session to the Dipali ma'am. Over to you, Dipali ma'am.
Yes, Mamta. Thank you, ma'am. I hope students, we all have got a briefing about MS Team. Now I request Sandeep sir. So students, we are at the end of the session, and let us have a national anthem at the end. So I request Sandeep sir to play the national anthem, and I request everyone to rise for it.
Dipali ma'am, one announcement. There is again one question. I have never said you have to change Somaya email ID password. I'm again and again telling you MS Team password, which you will receive on your Somaya email ID. Again, I'm clarifying it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mamta ma'am. Students, please don't get panicked, and please don't put the teacher also into panic. So have faith on our institution, check your mails properly, and go with a smooth behavior. Don't be in a panic. Okay, that is what we are expecting. Attend the lectures regularly once they are started, and the teachers are there to help you out. We all are there to help you out. So any kind of query, see, we have the Telegram groups also. Once your divisions are done, we will be also having WhatsApp groups. So whatever queries are there, you can put over there. Okay. So we have put the feedback link in the chat box. Kindly fill up the feedback link. And we are also going to send it on the Telegram group also. So those who are missing it up, they can fill up over there. So I hope we are here to wind up our orientation program. Mamta ma'am, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So have a nice day, students.
Tomorrow onwards lectures are beginning. Please check your website. Website पे दिया है 5th October से.
Yes, that is very important to note. Students, we have Somaya website. Please keep checking the websites. All the updates would be reflected on the website regarding your lectures, your exams, your internals, your externals. Any kind of change would be updated over there. So keep checking the websites. Keep checking your mails. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye, students.
संदीप सर तुम्ही